Damn! Welcome back to the channel. Do I seem happy? I'm pretending because I'm pissed off. What a crappy start of a day. I was supposed to go to Montreal, my favorite place to take a hike, and this piece of crap decided to die on me. Battery is dead, so we'll go to plan B. Always have a plan B, folks. We'll take the calorie slayer instead. It's more reliable because it uses my sexy legs, and those work, and they're not supposed to die. Hopefully. So I'll bring you along for a bike ride on the Montreal's old port, and I'll probably go on Ile Sainte-Hélène, which is a really cool looking place. That's where they did Expo 67. There was an international exposition, and there's still some buildings left there. So it's pretty cool looking, although it's really not used to its full potential. As you'll see, there's some parts of it that feel abandoned. There's as well the Ile Notre-Dame there, and that one is still used for the F1 race, so we might get to take a look at that. Hopefully it's not all blocked up and doesn't mess up my day anymore. So lesson is, when life hands you lemons, you make sugar-free lemonade for your weight loss friends. So are you ready for a bike ride? I am, I guess. Let's go. Alright guys, I filmed in hyperspeed for this part of the ride because it's the same ride I've shown you before to get to work, but the rest is different. So you'll get normal speed from now on, and I'll edit it to show you the cool parts. Alright, let's go. folks, here we are. Old Montreal, the old port. I don't know if you can see well. There we go. It's pretty cool. It's very pretty historical place. So hopefully you like it. The goal I'm trying to do with these videos, I don't talk all that much into the videos because a lot of people already do that. You can look it up. There's tons of information, so I try to give out as much as I can anyway, but I also try, or rather try more, to inspire people to do some activities. It can be the gym, like I said before. During the week it's easier, it's faster, but you got a lot of options outside. You can walk, take the bike, and stuff like that. But what I wanted to say about that is not so much maybe your physical fitness, but mental fitness, mental health rather. What I would tell you to do, and I'm trying to do it myself a lot more now, is go out and take your time. That's something I'm really not good at, so that's something I'm practicing. It sounds silly a little bit, especially if you're younger, but when you get older, start to appreciate these things. Take your time outside and look around, listen. You can discover some pretty cool things. Even just walking around the neighborhood, you can see some houses you haven't seen before because you're going either by car or something and you're not really taking the time to look. Or it can be different things. I've seen some houses that have huge, great, beautiful trees in front of them, and I've been going out around there 30 years or more, and I haven't seen them before because I just don't go in those streets, or I'm in a car and I don't take the time to look. So yeah, do that. Walk around, look around, listen, the sounds, the smells, and everything outside. It's really cool. It sounds corny as hell, I know, but it's really cool. So you want to go to the other side of the water? That's Ile Sainte-Hélène. To go there, I have to go back all the way where I came from at the beginning of the old port. That way. I have to cross that bridge, then go across. It's not a long ride, maybe 15-20 minutes. So let's go. First pit stop going on the island, this place. This is pretty crazy. It's Habitat 67. From what I've read, it was built for Expo 67 as well. The international exposition that was held here in Montreal in 1967, of course. And if I read correctly, it was a student at McGill University that did the design for a thesis, and they used it. The idea was to build a new type of affordable housing, modular. It's all blocks stacked together. It didn't work out, but it was pretty popular and made its career, from what I've read on Wikipedia. And it's a great landmark in Montreal. It's pretty cool. I wish they did more of this. I'm not sure how it's working out, but at least it's not a square. Well, it's a real big bunch of square boxes, but it's not a one huge square box. So I think it's pretty cool. Like I said earlier, it's worth your time to take your time a little bit, look around, look at stuff, and what you find interesting, you can even look it up and learn about it. I hope you like it. All right, I don't know if you could see from the previous shot, I cut to a property. I'm not sure, maybe it's private now. I know they're going to do the picnic electronic there, and I saw a guard truck maybe coming after me, so I got the hell out of there real quick. So I skipped through the woods. Didn't do anything bad, I just crossed there and didn't mess up anything, but oh well. So now we're on Ile Sainte-Hélène, and I'll show you around a little bit. guys, the ride's pretty much over. I took a little break near my workplace, coming back home. I have like 10 minutes left and I'll be done. I hope you enjoyed the ride. I went a little bit further than what is expected. I tried to go to, I showed you Ile Sainte-Hélène. I showed you old Montreal a little bit, the old port. And I tried to go to Ile Notre-Dame where they run the Formula One, but was closed off for the Formula One that's coming up next weekend or the one after that. So I couldn't go there. And I went up Jacques Cartier Bridge. It was a little bit scary. It's very high, very quick when you go down. It was pretty cool though. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like I always say, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, you just need a Gmail account. And you can look me up on Instagram as well right now. It's the same channel name. It's Hard Rock Weight Loss with underscores between the names. So that's it for this week. I'll see you next week. Maybe I'll be able to go to Mont Saint-Hilaire like I was planning today. I'll get a new car battery and I'll see what I can do. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.